Unlock your business potential with e-commerce. Your online business is a goldmine with untapped potential. Learn about scaling strategies that can fuel your enterprise's growth. Often, understanding your customers is the key. Decipher their needs, preferences, and buying habits to tailor-make your services and products. Next, leverage powerful digital marketing tools. SEO, social media marketing, and PPC advertising can exponentially increase your visibility and customer reach. Invest in an engaging, user-friendly website. It is your digital storefront, and its design can significantly influence sales and customer retention. Utilize automation and AI. These technologies can streamline your operations, enhance customer service, and provide valuable insights into business performance. Lastly, always be adaptable. Market trends and customer preferences are ever-changing. Stay ahead by being flexible and ready for innovation.